Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delectable dish on the menu, Shanghai fried noodles. But wait, there's more to these noodles than meets the eye. We've uncovered some fascinating and lesser known facts about Shanghai fried noodles that will take your taste buds on a flavorful journey. So, grab your chopsticks and get ready to indulge in this iconic Chinese delight. Before we dive into those intriguing facts, let's quickly talk about what Shanghai fried noodles are all about. Hailing from the bustling city of Shanghai, these noodles are a popular street food and comfort dish. They feature stir-fried noodles cooked to perfection, usually made from wheat or egg-based noodles, along with an assortment of vegetables, meat, and savory sauces that infuse the dish with incredible flavors. Fact number 1: Regional variety. Did you know that Shanghai fried noodles come in various regional variations? While the dish is synonymous with Shanghai cuisine, you can find unique interpretations across different regions of China. Some variations include the addition of regional ingredients, such as fresh seafood in coastal areas or unique spices and sauces that reflect local culinary traditions. So, when it comes to Shanghai fried noodles, there's a whole world of flavors to explore. Fact number 2: Time-honored technique. The art of stir-frying is at the heart of Shanghai fried noodles. This cooking technique, known as jiao in Chinese, involves quick and high-heat cooking to achieve that perfect balance of textures and flavors. Chefs use a wok, tossing the noodles and ingredients with precision and finesse. The result is a dish that is both aromatic and visually appealing, with each ingredient retaining its distinct taste and texture. Fact number 3: Culinary symbolism. Shanghai fried noodles hold a special place in Chinese culture as a symbol of longevity and good fortune. The long noodles are believed to represent a long and prosperous life. Fact number 4: Versatile adaptations. While traditional Shanghai fried noodles typically feature a combination of vegetables and meat, this dish has the flexibility to be adapted to different dietary preferences. You can easily customize the ingredients to suit your taste, whether you prefer a vegetarian version with tofu and an array of colorful veggies or a carnivorous delight with succulent meats. The versatility of Shanghai fried noodles allows for endless creativity and personalization in the kitchen. And there you have it, foodies, some lesser known facts about Shanghai fried noodles that will surely make you appreciate this iconic dish even more. From regional variations to time-honored cooking techniques, culinary symbolism, and versatile adaptations, Shanghai fried noodles offer a delightful culinary experience that captivates both the palate and the heart. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting food explorations. And don't forget to let us know in the comments below if you've tried Shanghai fried noodles before or if you have any other interesting facts to share about this beloved dish. Until next time, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep satisfying your cravings. Happy eating, everyone!